Hi, amazing people. Hope you all are good. That's great. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share something about English. Since our childhood, we were taught English as a subject. And when we used to think about English, we feared English as we feared the other subjects even. When we fear of something, we'll not be able to do or understand what exactly the subject matter is. When we don't understand it, we can't use it. So that is the matter with us all. Here, just go back to your childhood. Think. Just close your eyes and think. What happened? How you learned your mother tongue? Have you learned? Did anyone make you sit at a place and have they taught you mother tongue? No one. When we go to school, then only we'll be able to write the language, right? Before that, we people spoke in our mother tongue. We used to talk. How? Just close your eyes and think. The thing is, we listened. First of all, we heard that. When we took birth, our grannies, they used to talk to us in the respective mother tongues. When they does that, we were listening to them. We were listening to them. As such, what happened? Later on, we tried to understand their language. We were able to react according to their words. We were not able to speak, still we were able to respond according to their words. Later on, we were able to understand what is what, and we were able to even speak few little words. So after that, what happened is everything felt at place. We understood what is good, what is bad, and what is used, what has to be used there, and what is not to be used there. And whatever it happened, it was a process of listening. First of all, we were hearing first, we are understanding, and we were able to speak. So in the same manner, we need to think about English also. When we consider English as a language rather a subject, we will be able to understand English properly, thoroughly, and we will able to improve our communication skills or improve our English speaking skills. So please don't consider English as a subject and don't fear it and don't think that it is hard and that is not my cup of coffee and I'll not be able to deal it. No, nothing like that. Don't give it a negative thought. You just try and understand that we are capable of talking in English. Just the thing is, we hesitate. You just take initiative and try to speak a word at least. You just start up with little words. That is, in my mother tongue I am saying Pustakam, book, Duvena, comb, Addala Kesu, spectacle box, Cheyi, hand, Juttu, hair. Whatever you see, you observe in front of you, just convert it into the English term. The thought process you need to change first. You try and think in English so that you'll be able to understand what to do. Meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.